Hi, I'm Shawn. Welcome back to our video blog. Today we're going to be talking about the real estate market as we enter into spring. So the spring market is back with a vengeance, and after a full year of COVID-19 here in the United States and locally, the vaccine surge is certainly on the horizon, and our economic outlook is positive. We're in March, which is historically an active month for the market, and we're once again poised for a very strong performance. Home prices are continuing to surge despite a slight dip in demand, and the recently released S&P CoreLogic Case-Shiller 20-City Price Index shows that home prices have been increasing at the fastest rate since 2014. Of the 20 cities that were surveyed, Phoenix, Seattle, and San Diego led the pack. Here in Dane County, median home prices have gone up 15.5% this past February versus February of 2020. It was also reported that at the end of February, the total mortgage application volume fell nationally by 11.4%. That's largely due to interest rates starting to tick back up and climbing into the high 2% and low 3% for 30-year fixed. So while it's clear 2021 won't be a second consecutive year of watching rates limbo to new lows on an almost monthly basis, the Fed has announced it still is intending to keep the rates artificially low. Furthermore, Millennials, the largest generation in American history, will continue to pour into the market. And last year, they helped largely in part to Millennials. Zillow's traffic skyrocketed to 9.6 billion visits. What can thaw our market here a little bit? And not that it hasn't been hot, but an uptick in inventory would certainly do that. An intensified seller's market emerged in the wake of the pandemic. So it has led to homes in some markets facing jaw-dropping number of bids before going under contract for tens of thousands of dollars over list price at times. However, this has also hampered sales a bit. According to Lawrence Yuen, who's the chief economist for NAR, or National Association of Realtors, he says pending home sales fell in January because there are simply not enough homes to match the demand on the market. And I feel this is strongly true in our market here as well. So with more sellers primed to enter the market, weary home buyers might find a slight smidgen of relief, but they won't be calling the shots. And we expect offers over list price will still be par for the course. So would-be sellers who sidelined their plans last spring due to the virus may feel more optimistic this year. And while they watched the housing market in 2020 triumph in the face of adversity, they're certainly seeing consumer confidence right now. More inventory this spring could grease the wheels of the housing market and lead to a huge increase in sales. Well, what does this mean for you? Though some home buyers may have been deterred by interest rates ratcheting up a bit, many more are rushing to lock in affordable monthly payments while they still can. And for sellers, the competition will increase markedly over the next few months. Netting top dollar is still super possible, but overpricing a home and failing to prepare for the market is a losing strategy. So buyers and sellers alike may need to work with a skilled professional to navigate this March market madness. So if you've been entertaining the idea of selling your home at all this year, I invite you to click the link below to instantly calculate your home's value, and that's calculated based on public data. So to get the most accurate one, it's certainly worth a visit from me to check that out. So if you have any questions about potentially selling your home, feel free to give me a call at 608-212-5743. And I'm talking to both buyers and sellers around the Madison area every day, and I can help you to make the right decision, whatever it is you decide to do. Thanks for watching our video, and we'll see you next time.